Many amazing megaprojects are taking the world by storm, and 2026 isn't just another year. It's the year that will usher these insane construction giants into the world. We are talking about structures like humanity's most powerful eye into the cosmos, Europe's largest metro expansion tunnels, Africa's highest tower, and much more. This is the year Ethiopia flips the switch on Africa's most powerful dam. The year Los Angeles finally solves its airport chaos with a massive automated train system. And Cairo unveils a monorail system stretching over 100 kilometers. These aren't just construction projects, they're transformations that will reshape skylines, redefine transportation, unlock scientific discoveries, and change how millions of people live their daily lives. So, buckle up as we explore the biggest megaprojects completing in 2026. Perhaps no transit project better exemplifies the scale of 2026's infrastructure boom than the Grand Paris Express. This megaproject is Europe's largest urban transit expansion and one of the most ambitious metro construction programs in the world. The $46 billion program will add 4 new automated metro lines and extend 2 existing lines across the Ile-de-France region. This will create more than 200 kilometers of new track and 68 stations in the region. The first segment to open in 2026 is Line 18, connecting Massy-Palaiseau to Saclay in October 2020s. This elevated section has already begun test runs and will serve key areas, including the Paris-Saclay Technology Cluster, home to major universities and research institutions. Meanwhile, Line 15 South, which is the southern section of the massive orbital line that will eventually circumnavigate Paris, has faced testing delays. However, recent development shows that its opening date has been rescheduled for the first quarter of 2027. When it does open, this 33-kilometer section connecting Pont de Sèvres to Noisy Champs will revolutionize suburban travel, allowing passengers to travel between suburbs without passing through the central Paris. The construction involves more than 20 tunnel boring machines working simultaneously, creating what will ultimately be one of the world's most sophisticated automated metro systems. The trains will travel at average speeds of 55 to 65 kilometers per hour with frequencies of 2 to 3 minutes during peak hours. We head over to the capital city of Egypt, where a transportation infrastructure is undergoing a dramatic transformation. With a population of over 20 million people, Cairo has always suffered from traffic congestion for generations. In this city, a simple commute can take hours, and the city's rapid growth has pushed development farther and farther from the historic center. But in 2026, all of that is about to change. The Cairo monorail system isn't just another transit line. It is a $4.5 billion megaproject consisting of a network of 2 major elevated lines spanning more than 100 kilometers. The first line stretches west, connecting central Cairo with the 6th of October city, which is home to over 1 million residents. The second line shoots east, linking the capital's core with Egypt's ambitious new administrative capital. Both lines are expected to become fully operational by mid-2026, and when they do, they'll fundamentally reshape how millions of Egyptians move through their daily lives. The monorail will hold a sleek, modern, elevated train gliding above the chaos of Cairo's streets in a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly manner. It is controlled via an automated operations system, resulting in consistent service without human error. In southern Germany, one of Europe's most controversial and technically complex rail projects is finally nearing completion. Stuttgart 21 is transforming the region's entire rail backbone by converting Stuttgart's old 20th century terminus station into a modern underground through station. The project literally involves rotating the entire train station by 90 degrees. Instead of trains arriving from the north and terminating, the new underground tracks run east to west, allowing trains to pass straight through the city. This fundamental reconfiguration requires more than 50 kilometers of new tunnels beneath one of Germany's busiest urban areas. The project's signature architectural feature is a series of massive concrete columns that hold up the station's curved roof while letting natural light pour into the platforms below, creating a cathedral-like space underground. After years of delays and controversy, the new central station is now expected to open in December 2026 with continuous testing throughout the year. Brisbane's Cross River Rail is one of Australia's largest infrastructure investments. It is a transformative 14 billion rail link designed to unlock network capacity and reshape mobility across Queensland's capital. The 10.2-kilometer megaproject will feature a 5.9-kilometer twin tunnel system running beneath the Brisbane River as its centerpiece. It will also include the Central Business District, featuring 4 brand-new underground stations with state-of-the-art architecture and modern amenities. The project does not only involve the construction of new infrastructure, but it will also cover extensive upgrades to existing rail systems and signaling technology, allowing for more frequent and reliable services throughout the network. Cross River Rail will officially open in late 2026, relieving the long-standing bottleneck that has limited rail capacity into Brisbane's city center. Once operational, it will dramatically reduce commuter travel times, expand service frequency, and better connect neighborhoods across the metropolitan area. We head over to Canada, where an architectural marvel is about to shock the world. Rising 308 meters above Toronto's bustling Yonge Street corridor, the One is set to become Canada's tallest building when it opens in mid-2026. This 85-story mixed-use super-tall skyscraper has faced years of challenges, including financial hurdles, construction delays, and legal complications. Its total cost has grown from an initial estimate of $1 billion to over $2 billion. Designed with a bold structural exoskeleton and distinctive horizontal bands marking mechanical floors, the One blends luxury residential units, hotel accommodations, upscale retail spaces, and world-class amenities into one vertical landmark. Down in Austin, Texas, a new height record has been set. The Waterline, at 74 stories and soaring to more than 300 meters, is officially the tallest building in the entire state of Texas. The structure topped out in August 2025 and is expected to be fully completed in 2026. It will feature high-end apartments, extensive office space, and a luxury hotel located at the base. And in Africa, Ivory Coast is preparing to unveil a skyscraper that will completely transform the continent's skyline. Tour F in Abidjan, at 421 meters tall, is set to become the tallest building in Africa, surpassing Egypt's iconic towers. This tower more than triples the country's existing record, Tour D, at just 120 meters. Interestingly, Tour F is part of a long-running modernization program for Abidjan that was launched in the late 1970s. Towers A, B, C, D, and E have all been built over the decades, and now it's finally time for Tower F to take its place in the skyline. Deep in East Africa, on the Blue Nile River, Ethiopia has inaugurated what is now the biggest and most powerful dam on the entire African continent. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam officially began operations in 2025, but 2026 marks the year this colossal project reaches full operational capacity. Here's the scale we're talking about. As of late 2025, 7 of the dam's 13 turbines have been installed. But once all 13 turbines come online in 2026, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is expected to generate as much as 15.7 terawatt-hours of electricity annually. That's enough power to completely transform Ethiopia's economy, electrify millions of homes that have never had consistent power, and still have surplus energy left over to export to neighboring countries. For Ethiopia, this is nothing short of revolutionary. A nation that has long struggled with energy poverty is about to become a regional powerhouse. The dam positions Ethiopia as a major electricity exporter, fundamentally shifting the balance of power in East Africa. But here's where it gets complicated. The Blue Nile doesn't just flow through Ethiopia. It's a lifeline for Sudan and Egypt downstream. Both countries have raised serious concerns about water security, fearing that Ethiopia's control over the Nile's flow could threaten their own access to this vital resource. The tension has been simmering for years, with diplomatic negotiations, international mediation, and occasional escalations. The 2026 FIFA World Cup will be the largest football tournament in history. Hosted across 3 countries, the United States, Canada, and Mexico, with 16 host cities, the tournament requires over $13 billion in infrastructure upgrades. By May 2026, all World Cup-related megaprojects will be operational. We are talking about infrastructure upgrades and stadium renovations. Some of the stadiums to be renovated include MetLife Stadium in New Jersey, which will host the World Cup final, AT&T Stadium in Dallas, SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, and the list goes on. Apparently, all stadiums are being modified to accommodate FIFA's requirements, including replacement of artificial turf with natural grass surfaces, expanding seating capacity, upgrading broadcast facilities, and improving accessibility. There will also be an upgrade in transportation and urban infrastructure. Still talking about sports-related megaprojects and infrastructures, the Buffalo Bills are building a brand new stadium in Orchard Park, just across the street from their old venue. The new Highmark Stadium is an open-air, natural grass venue capable of seating around 62,000 spectators. Construction officially began in 2023, and the main structure has taken shape rapidly. The stadium's distinctive canopy is already completed. If all goes according to plan, it's currently scheduled to open in time for the 2026 NFL season. Meanwhile, in Barcelona, the iconic Camp Nou is undergoing a complete transformation. The renovation includes a fully rebuilt third tier, upgraded facilities with better viewing angles, increased parking capacity, and improvements to VIP services. Once complete, the stadium's capacity will increase from 99,000 to 105,000 spectators. As of 2025, thousands of workers are on site. A brand new pitch has been laid, and work continues on the upper tiers and roof. A partial reopening occurred in November 25, and if all goes to plan, the stadium aims for full reopening by 2020. Now, let's take a quick dive into megaprojects relating to science and technology. High in Chile's Atacama Desert, an extremely large telescope is being constructed. Set to be completed by 2026, this amazing structure will set a major engineering milestone by becoming the world's largest optical telescope. This massive instrument will feature a primary mirror 39 meters in diameter, composed of 798 individual hexagonal segments. The structure itself must be strong enough to handle wind, earthquakes, and the immense mass of the mirrors, yet light and precise enough to deliver ultra-sharp astronomical observations. The extremely large telescope is also equipped with adaptive optics and infrared sensors, enabling it to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. Once operational, the ELT will unlock mysteries about exoplanets, early galaxies, black holes, and the nature of dark matter. Egypt's new administrative capital is one of the most ambitious new city developments of the 21st century. Located 45 kilometers east of Cairo, the project spans over 700 square kilometers and is designed to house over 6 million people once fully developed. Within this $58 billion megacity are some of the largest civic buildings in the Middle East, including new ministries, government headquarters, massive educational districts, hospitals, and massive residential zones. The city also features monumental structures such as the iconic tower, the Al Fatah Al-Alim Mosque, and the Coptic Cathedral of the Nativity of Christ. The city incorporates cutting-edge smart technology, sustainable design principles, and an expansive green spine larger than New York's Central Park. While several parts have seen partial openings, mid-2026 is set to be a landmark year as key districts transition into full operational status. Heading over to the aviation space, Boeing's next-generation wide-body jet, the 777X, is finally preparing for its commercial debut after years of delays. First deliveries are expected between 2026 and 2027. One of the aircraft's most distinctive features is its folding wingtips. Because the 777X has an enormous wingspan, optimized for fuel efficiency, the tips fold upward when on the ground so the aircraft can still fit into standard gates and hangars designed for the regular 777. The 777X is powered by the GE9X, one of the world's largest and most powerful commercial jet engines, offering up to 10% better fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor. Once it enters service, the 777X will become the world's largest and most advanced twin-engine jet, setting new standards for long-haul air travel. While Boeing prepares to take civilians farther, the U.S. Air Force is getting ready for its newest generation bomber. The B-21 Raider from Northrop Grumman represents the future of strategic air power. After successful test flights, the B-21 entered low-rate initial production, and deliveries to the Air Force are expected to begin by 2026. Designed to replace aging bombers like the B-2 Spirit and B-1 Lancer, the B-21 is a stealthy, long-range bomber engineered for both nuclear and conventional strike missions. What makes the B-21 particularly special is its cutting-edge modular design. Each aircraft is built with modular systems, meaning it can be upgraded more easily as technology evolves. A B-21 built today could remain on par with future threats for decades because new weapon systems and technologies can be integrated without major structural changes. In the UAE, a world-renowned art institution is opening a stunning new museum in the nation's capital. The Guggenheim Abu Dhabi, representing a $1 billion investment, was originally scheduled to open in 2025, but has been pushed to 2026 following budget constraints at the Guggenheim Foundation. When it finally opens, the museum will feature a collection of contemporary Arab, Islamic, and Middle Eastern art. Located on Saadiyat Island, just minutes from downtown Abu Dhabi, it will join a new cultural district alongside other prestigious institutions, including the Louvre Abu Dhabi, the Zayed National Museum, and partnerships with the British Museum. Los Angeles International Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world, is undergoing one of the most expensive airport overhauls in American history, with more than $30 billion invested into modernization. Central to this effort is the Automated People Mover, APM, along with the new consolidated rent-a-car Conrack facility. After years of delays, the entire system is scheduled to open to the public in mid-2026. The APM is an elevated driverless train stretching nearly 2 miles, running 24 hours a day and connecting the central terminal area with parking structures, metro rail connections, and the Conrack complex. It will drastically reduce travel time and eliminate the notorious shuttle bus traffic that has long overwhelmed airport roadways. Meanwhile, the massive 6 million square foot Conrack facility, one of the largest of its kind in the world, will consolidate more than 20 car rental operations under one roof. Together, these projects will transform LAX into one of the most efficient and modern airports in North America, offering a smoother experience for millions of travelers each year. There you have it, the biggest mega projects completing in 2026, Part 2. Let us know which of these projects interests you the most in the comment section. Consider subscribing to our channel and like this video. Until next time,